Hello, everybody. It's me, Caleb. Welcome to Caleb Cooks. Today we have these ingredients in our hands to cook delicious meals. So, let's begin with the chicken. Very good. Now we add exotic butter to the chicken. Make sure it is very exotic. Now we just snap and it is ready, infused in the chicken. We add a bit of salt and done. Now Koopa Troopa, please take it to the oven. Let's go with pizza. So we add the dough to the table and then thank you. Here comes the sauce. Now we summon the cheese. We add the cheese and then we get a flamethrower. Move the table! Beautiful. Now we add the pepperoni. One last pepperoni. And we spot. Very good. And it's ready. Let's go with the next one. The next one is steak. Here we have two steaks. Look at this one. Look how ugly it is. Look how uncolorful it is. But now this one is a Wagyu A5. Look at it. Just look at it. Wagyu A5. Look how this one's smokeful. The other one does nothing. Look how the difference between them. That's how we know which one's better. Now we're going to clean up the set and we're going to continue cooking these steaks. Commercial break. Look how this one sizzle. Look, well this one, look in the other hand what this one does. Wait, what? That's not normal. Dispose of it.
Get down, Mr. President!
Oh well. Koopa Troopa, pass me the garlic. Ouch! Boom. Beautiful. Waiter! Here comes the chicken. Let's give it a wait. Now let's try it. Very good. Here comes the pizza. Time to taste this. Delicious. Finally, the steak. But I must add my secret ingredient. Let's taste this. It's not even that good. Garbage. Let's wash it down with a Poshi shake. Delicious. Wait, what? Oh no.